we're going to look at a quick transition switch. So this is an effective transition that can really enhance your video. So if we go along the top menu bar to transitions and we type in quick, and we've got down there a list of all the different quick transitions. So we're going to add a switch in now. So if I wanted to, I can save this as a favourite by tapping on the little star. I can tap on the downward arrow to download it, or I can just simply drag it down to where I want the transition. If I say OK to that error message, I can expand the transition with my mouse by just clicking on it and expand it like that. You can see the duration up in the top right hand corner expanding. So let's try it and see. I'll just turn the volume down on these. So there you go, a quick switch transition. Just play that again so you can see it. If you like this video, please go to the end, tap on the playlist. You can see other videos that I produce regarding CapCut for PC. Also, please like and subscribe to watch the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.